If you've ever wondered how influencers earn money without selling their own products, or how bloggers turn their websites into income generating machines, here's the answer: affiliate marketing. And guess what? Starting affiliate marketing in 2025 is easier and more exciting than ever before. But the real question is, are you ready to turn your online presence into a money making engine? In this video, I'll guide you step by step through the world of affiliate marketing, from what it is to setting it up, and even highlight upcoming trends you can capitalize on in 2025. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to improve your affiliate game, by the end of this video, you'll have the tools to make it happen. Let's start with the basics. Affiliate marketing is like being the middleman in business. Instead of creating a product, you promote someone else's. When someone buys through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. It's a win-win. You help brands get sales and you get paid for it. Plus, you can promote products you believe in and tailor them to the audience you already have or want to build. But here's the beauty of affiliate marketing in 2025. Technology and tools are more advanced than ever. You don't need a huge following to succeed. Thanks to micro-influencers, niche content creators, and AI-driven content optimization, anyone can find their place in the affiliate world. Now, I promise to make this actionable, so let's move on to the next step. The secret sauce to thriving in affiliate marketing? Picking the right niche. Start with something you're passionate about. You could target technology, health and fitness, personal finance, travel, parenting, or even quirky hobbies like board games or gardening. The trick is to choose a niche that has products you can monetize while also being something you're willing to dive deep into. Why? Because authenticity sells. Imagine this. You're obsessed with indoor plants. You write engaging blogs about plant care and recommend products like pots, soil, or grow lights. When readers trust you and click on your affiliate link to purchase, voila, you've just earned yourself a commission. For 2025, trends suggest that niches focused on sustainability, mental health, AI tools, and virtual reality are set to explode. Keep an eye on market demands when choosing your niche. Here comes the fun part: building your platform. To succeed as an affiliate marketer, you need a space to reach your audience. Whether it's a blog, YouTube channel, Instagram page, TikTok account, or even an email newsletter. And here's the good news: you don't need to master all platforms at once. Start with one or two and expand as you grow. In 2025, video content is king. Platforms like YouTube and TikTok are particularly powerful for affiliate links, especially when paired with engaging storytelling. Tutorials, reviews, unboxings, these are golden opportunities to showcase affiliate products authentically. Alternatively, blogs continue to hold strong, especially for SEO-focused affiliate marketing. Imagine writing a blog post titled, "The Best Electric Scooters for City Living." When readers stumble across it via Google search and click your affiliate link, you earn sales passively for months, or even years. The key here is consistency and value. Create content that helps your audience solve a problem or discover something cool. People won't trust a random product link, but they will trust helpful advice paired with recommendations. That's the magic formula. Now, let's talk about finding affiliate programs. These are the places where you sign up as an affiliate and get your unique links to promote products. Start with some of the most trusted programs, like Amazon Associates. Perfect for beginners and covers almost every product imaginable. ClickBank. Great for digital and informational products. ShareASale offers access to thousands of brands across various industries. If you already have a niche in mind, search for companies offering affiliate programs directly. For example, a fitness enthusiast might join programs for protein brands or workout equipment. Pro tip for 2025: keep an eye out for AI-powered affiliate networks. These platforms use advanced algorithms to match you with products that perfectly fit your audience. Efficiency at its finest. Once everything is set, here's where your effort pays off: optimization. In 2025, success doesn't come from posting links randomly. You need strategy. Use analytics tools like Google Analytics or plugin tools for blogs to track which of your links are clicked the most. This insight allows you to tweak your strategy, whether it's updating old blog posts or expanding your outreach. Leverage tools like AI-driven keyword research or social media insights to increase your reach. Programs like ChatGPT Pro or SEO software can be invaluable for scaling your affiliate marketing content far beyond what you initially imagined. Also, don't forget email marketing. Building an email list and sharing discounts or recommendations can help you turn readers into buyers and buyers into repeat customers. Affiliate marketing in 2025 is an open playing field. It doesn't matter how much experience you have or whether you're starting from scratch. With the right strategy, tools, and mindset, you can build an income stream that grows with you. So, what are you waiting for? Choose your niche, pick your platform, and start paving your path to financial freedom. Remember, every successful affiliate marketer started with one step. Make today that step. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and share your niche ideas below. Let's turn 2025 into the year you conquer affiliate marketing.